where should I go for my next holiday? Maybe to Japan?
Hey Joe,
Hi Vincent!
hey, what's going on with this? All this cash?
I'm actually packing all my cash for my upcoming holidays. People say cash is king! So I'm gonna bring all this cash with me and spend like a king over there.
Joe, I'm not sure that's a good idea because that may make you an easy target for pickpockets. Have you ever considered using a credit card instead?
Oh? I never really considered one. I've gotten by so long without it. So, what's the point?
Well, for starters, you don't have to carry all this cash around and risk losing them. And as an added bonus, Joe, when you use a credit card, you get extra benefits. You get points, you get rebates, you get miles. So for example, this card gives you extra cash back. This card gives you points when you shop. And this card gives you extra perks when you travel.
Wow! So many free things! I love free things! Why didn't I get one credit card before? Let me go and do that right now. Should I?
Well, you should, but before you do that, you have to remember one thing, and that is all these benefits, they only happen when you spend. And when it comes to spending, it is important to spend prudently. And what does that mean? It means that you set a budget to your spending. So that way, you do not overspend. Because should you overspend and you do not pay in full and on time, you end up incurring interest charges as well as late payment charges. And Joe, you don't want that.
Oh no! That sounds so scary, Vincent. I can't even remember my own birthday, let alone remember when to pay my bills.
Well, Joe, you are not alone in that. So that's why I use Gyro.
Who is Gyro?
Joe, Gyro isn't a person. Gyro is an automated bill payment system so that you never miss a payment. If you're not comfortable with that, you can always use your online banking or your mobile banking and you pay your bills on a monthly basis.
Ooh, so I guess having a credit card would also be more useful when buying big ticket items. Because I'm actually thinking of buying my girlfriend either a watch or even a handbag this coming holiday.
Yeah, so you're right. Using a credit card allows you to buy items that are higher in value. And in that aspect, do you know that credit cards also come with an international protection? In the event, should you buy something from an unscrupulous merchant, you're able to get a refund.
Wow, I'm convinced. Now I just have to decide which credit card I want to go for. Maybe I should go for this, and even this.
Oh, hold your horses, Joe. Since you just started work, I recommend that you keep to either one or two credit cards at most. That way, you can enjoy the benefits of both cards, but at the same time, stay on top of your payments.
Thank you so much for the help, Vincent.
Anytime, Joe.
Can I buy you a dinner?
Absolutely.
But can I borrow your credit card, please?